Hi guys, nice to see you again on our channel Santa Barbara Chocolate. Today we are going to make a healthy drink. It is necessary to finely chop the pumpkin. Pour it into a saucepan. Pour all this vegetable milk, put on the stove, and bring to a boil, and then cook for about 10 minutes until the pumpkin is soft. Next, beat everything with a blender. Add cinnamon, ginger, honey, and of course necessarily our main ingredient, which is cocoa with flavanols. Stir everything together and put it back on the stove. Bring the drink to a boil and enjoy a delicious, healthy drink for immunity. Health to all! And do not forget to click on the bell and subscribe to the channel.